Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have wonderful DIY to share with you all. So a few days back I have posted a sneak peek of this clay on my Instagram story and you guys just loved it. So yeah, here I am with this recipe. So to make this clay I have took 1 cup of corn flour and 1 cup of PVA glue. You can also use cornstarch instead of corn flour for this clay. So in a bowl I have mixed these two ingredients together, and I also added some olive oil and lemon juice. So lemon juice will work as a preservative here, and here instead of olive oil and lemon juice you can also use baby oil and vinegar. So once my all ingredients are there in a bowl, I have mixed this together. I have mixed all these ingredients together nicely, making sure that there is no lumps left. So if you're trying this recipe for the first time, then take all ingredients in smaller quantity and see how this whole process work for yourself. And yeah, since I have made this clay a lot of times and I also had some projects plan up, and I needed this clay in a larger quantity, so I went ahead and added 1 more cup of corn flour and PVA glue, and also some olive oil and lemon juice. So next we need to heat this mixture, and here I have used glass bowl and heated this in a microwave. Here you can also use a non-stick pan and you can heat this mixture on a gas stove. I have microwaved this mixture for 30 seconds first, and next I have heated this mixture in interval of 15 seconds each for 3 to 4 times. This procedure is absolutely depends on the power of your microwave, so make sure that you don't heat it too much in one go, or else it will become very hard. So next step is kneading. So for that I have put this mixture on my kitchen slab and added some moisturizer and kneaded this mixture until I get soft dough. You should knead this mixture while it's little hot. If you allow it to cool down, it will get hard and it will be not possible for you to get that soft dough. So you should knead this mixture carefully while it's little hot. So I have kneaded this mixture for around 10 minutes, and while kneading you can also apply more moisturizer on your hands so it won't stick to your hands. Massage this dough until and unless it turns into non-sticky dough, and also when you pull this clay you should get this kind of a teardrop shape. To store this clay, wrap it in a plastic bag and put it in an airtight container. This clay does get shrink little bit after drying. So if you are trying to make project using this clay embellishment, then make sure to work in advance so that this clay embellishment will not get shrink on your project. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy creating.